beat on that bitch, bro. Ooh.
He got way more sounds.
Way more fucking sounds than us. Damn.
So damn.
Fuck. He got contacts. So I'm missing massive. I'm missing all that shit. I gotta pay for them shits. I ain't got. Cuz, man. I gotta buy those sounds right there. My shit only came with contact and machine. You got Monarch, Prism, all that shit, nigga.
How you switch this one?
Motherfucking all that shit. The sounds are so professional on these machines, dog. It's crazy. Professional industry sounds, nigga. Not the motherfucking Fruity Loop shits.
I'm trying to get to oh wait, I think I know how to do it on here. Go to browse and it should be a filter. It should be like right. What was that? Oh.
Drums and percussion, sampled instruments.
Let's do samples.
Just click on that shit. Octaves, where the octaves at? Oh, this shit is fucking raw, dog. You gotta learn chord mode, pad mode.
I will kill that shit. Alright, so octaves is right here, look.